Hello and welcome aboard the beautiful Ama-Magna, the flagship of AmaWaterways' fleet of award-winning river cruise vessels. The ship is 22 meters wide, and that's twice as wide as most traditional river cruise ships in Europe, and it's been designed specifically to sail on the legendary Danube River. Let's have a look inside.
This is our lobby, where guests embark, depart the ship for our included excursions, and can ask questions at the main reception desk. Complimentary postcards can be mailed from here, and this is the place where guests may also settle their account at the conclusion of their river cruise. Our magnificent split-level main lounge is our central gathering place for safety briefings, lectures, our daily complimentary sip-and-sail cocktail hours, dancing, and nightly entertainment. Tapas, light lunch, and late-night snacks are also offered in the lounge. Plus, with floor-to-ceiling windows, it always offers a picturesque view. When it's time to eat, AmaMagna offers 4 unique restaurants. These are the main restaurant, where breakfast, lunch, and dinner are served, and which does not require a reservation. The Alfresco restaurant, an intimate setting for vegetable-forward fare and beautiful views. Jimmy's Wine Bar and Restaurant, open for family-style dinner service by reservation only. And the Chef's Table Specialty Restaurant, which seats 36 for dinner with reservations required. A highlight of the innovative AmaMagna is its expansive Zen Wellness Studio. This bright space features a juice bar, 2 massage rooms, a fitness center with state-of-the-art equipment, and outdoor spin bikes. The ship also offers a hair salon and a nail salon, where you may treat yourself to manicures and pedicures for a nominal fee. In addition, the AmaMagna boasts a chic onboard cinema, where you may gather to watch movies, sporting events, or perhaps even play a video game or two. There are also 2 stunning fireside libraries on either side of the ship, where you can borrow a book or board game, or simply sit back and watch the scenic views glide by. Up on the sun deck, a variety of amenities awaits. AmaMagna is the only ship in AmaWaterways' fleet to offer both a heated swimming pool and a whirlpool. There is also a walking track, pop-up sky bar, and our first ever full-sized pickleball court for guests who wish to stay active while playing this growing sport. When it is time to rest your eyes, guests may choose from our owner's suite, which is 710 square feet and features a comfortable bed, desk and chair, separate sitting area, a bathroom with both shower and bathtub, and many other surprises and delights. A grand suite, measuring 474 square feet with a bed facing the full balcony, desk and chair, and a bathroom with both shower and bathtub. Our balcony suites, measuring 355 square feet with a full balcony, comfortable bed, desk and chair, separate sitting area, and bathroom with multi-jet shower head. Our Category AA and AB staterooms measuring 252 square feet with full balcony, desk and chair, and bathroom with a multi-jet shower head. And Category D and E staterooms measuring 205 square feet with a fixed window, desk and chair, and bathroom with multi-jet shower head. Thank you for joining me today for our tour of the extraordinary AmaMagna. We hope you and your loved ones will come and join us soon for a river cruise along the legendary Danube River.